Air, the invisible gas we breathe. Heir, the person who inherits something. Bear, without covering. Bear, a large animal. Brake, a device to stop a vehicle. Break, to break something apart. Buy, to purchase something. By, near or beside. Cell, basic unit of life. Sell, to sell something. Dear, loved or valued. Deer, an animal with antlers. Eye, the organ used for seeing. I, the pronoun for oneself. Flour, powder made from grains for baking. Flower, a plant with colorful petals. Hair, the strands growing on the head. Hare, a small fast-running animal. Hear, to perceive sound. Here, in this place. Night, a warrior in armor. Night, the part of the day when it is dark. Mail, letters or packages sent. Male, a male person. Meat, flesh of animals for food. Meet, to come together or meet. One, the number one. One, to win something. Peace, a state of no war or conflict. Piece, a part or piece of something. Plane, a flying vehicle. Plain, simple or ordinary. Right, correct or the opposite of left. Right, to write with a pen or pencil. Sail, a cloth used to catch wind on a boat. Sale, a discount event or transaction. Sea, a large body of salt water. See, to look with the eyes. Sun, a male child. Sun, the star that gives us light. Stair, a step in a staircase. Stare, to fix the eyes on something for a long time. There, belonging to them. There, a location or place. To, a preposition used for direction, place, etc. To, the number after one. Waste, the middle part of the body. Waste, unwanted material. Weak, lacking strength. Week, a period of 7 days. Weather, the condition of the atmosphere. Weather, a choice between options. Whole, complete or full. Hole, an opening in the ground or an object. Allowed, spoken out loud. Allowed, allowed by rules. Capital, a city where the government is based. Capital, a government building. Complement, something that completes. Compliment, a polite expression of praise. Die. To stop living. Dye. To change color with dye. Fair. Just or light colored. Fair. The cost of a journey. Great. Very good or large. Great. A metal frame with holes. Heel. The back part of the foot. Heel. To make something better. Idle. Not active or working. Idle. A person admired greatly. Kernel. The soft part inside a nut or grain. Colonel. A high-ranking military officer. Lead. A type of metal. Lead. To guide or be in charge. Mane. Most important. Mane. Hair growing on a horse's neck. Morning. The early part of the day. Morning. A feeling of deep sorrow. Pale. A bucket. Pale. Pale in color. Principal. The head of a school. Principle. A rule or belief. Profit. Money gained in business. Prophet. A religious leader. Rain. Water falling from clouds. Reign. To rule over something. Ring. A circular band. Ring. To squeeze and twist something. Scene. A setting or part of a play or movie. Scene. Something viewed with the eyes. Sight. The ability to see. Site. A location on the internet or land. Stationery. Not moving. Stationery. Paper and office supplies. Steal. To take something without permission. Steel. A strong metal. Tail. The part of an animal's body that extends at the back. Tale. A fictional or real story. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.